We have given questions of a spiral matrix 4. The question is we have to find out we have given two integers m and n. We have to create a matrix of size m cross n, and we have from the linked list that we have given a head of the linked list. All right, that is the questions. So how do we proceed? First of all, and we have to print the matrix. We have to create a matrix such that in a spiral forms. So first of all, we have to move from left to right, then top to bottom, then right to left, then bottom to right, bottom to top, and then left to right, and so on. We have to print in a spiral order. So how do we print? So first of all, we just create our two variables, three, even four variable. First of all, we just create a matrix of m cross n size, and at each cells we just put -1 at each index. Now we go to the each cells. All right. First of all, we just create four variables. Here you see we have created four variables: left, right, top, bottom. Left initializes this index, right initializes this index, top initializes this index, bottom initializes this index. Now we have also declared one variables named navigation. Navigation represent if navigation value is 0, it represent you have to move from left to right. If navigation is equal to 1, then that represent you have to move from right top to bottom. If navigation represent, here you see, if navigation represent 2, that represent you have to move from right to left, and if navigation is 3, that represent you have to move from bottom to top. Okay, that's the basic approach. And now we have to check. Starting D, we have to navigate from left to right. While navigating from left to right, you see the top element is constant. The top is constant, and this column is varying. So we just create a for loop. So we just iterate. So we just move from left to right. All right, keeping top as a constant, and we just put at these cells their value. And what will the value? Value will be the temp of value, and do temp of next at each index. Now after reach to the right, just increase the value of top by 1. Okay, now again we check what is the navigation, accordingly we move. Now navigation is 1, means we have to move from top to bottom. All right, then in that case, here is the solutions. And then now lastly, how do we check what will the navigation? When you do navigation, just after each step you do navigation value lies always between the 0 to 3, right? So how do we do so that navigation will always write in this sense? So if navigation is 0, that means it represent. If navigation is 1, that means it represent top to bottom. If navigation is just 3, we automatically move to the. So if we just divide it by 4, it will always vary lies between 0 to 3. It becomes 4, it will already become 0. So we do this things, and what is the when will you get out of the loop? When top is, this is top and this is bottom. When top is less than or equal to bottom, we go to the, and when left is less than or equal to right, then we move that. And once it's done, we get out of the loop and just return that answer. That is the solution.